Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Google Play Store try again problem in Android mobile. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check internet connection. So for that you need to enter into your mobile settings and select operator and then mobile network. Over there you need to choose manual network. Click OK and choose the operator. Once you choose, it shows register on network. After that you need to turn on and turn off the airplane mode for quick fix. Yeah, once it's done, please close it. And our second step is to clear Play Store cache. For that you need to enter into your app info. Over there you need to clear cache for Play Store. Yeah, once it's done, please come back. And third step is to check and fix the date and time. For that you need to enter into your settings. In the settings you need to enter into additional settings. Over there you may see like date and time option, and please choose it. And you need to enable the both set time automatically and set time zone automatically. If you are already enabled, please disable once and enable again. So our fourth step is to synchronize Google. To synchronize you need to enter into settings and then additional settings and then scroll down. You may see account and synchronize. Over there you need to click synchronize for Google, or else you can click synchronize now on the bottom to synchronize all the accounts. Yeah, once it's synchronized, please close it. And our fifth step is to free up internal space. Here I'm entered into the security. Over there cleaner, and then I'm going to clean the cache files and temp files using the cleaner. And also make sure you had better internal storage. If not, please clean up and free up some space in internal storage. So our sixth step is to reset the apps. So for that you need to enter into your settings. In the settings, please enter into your application apps. Over there you need to enter into manage apps. At the top right corner you may see the three dot icon. Please select that and then click the reset app preference and then click reset apps. Yeah, once it's done, please close it and restart your mobile phone. And thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.